under the bookcase? Good. Can you put the dog next to the green bag? What's this?
It's a robot.
It's a robot. Can you put the robot next to the yellow bag? Can you put the robot next to the board? Thank you. How many bookcases are there? How many bookcases?
The bookcase.
There is or there are?
There is bookcase.
One.
There is one bookcase.
Good. How many computers are there? Computer.
One computer.
There are or there is?
There is
There is one computer.
one computer.
How many yellow bags are there?
There are two yellow bags.
Good. What colour is this bag?
Blue. Green bags.
Is this bag black?
No.
What colour is it?
It's a red bag.
It's a red bag. What colour is the ruler?
It's a pink.
It's pink. And what colour is the pen?
It's a red.
It's red. Oh, very good. So, how old are you?
8 years old.
8 years old. And what's your favourite colour?
Red.
Red. What's your favourite food?
Father, mother, brother, and me.
In your family? So how many people are in your family? Father?
Mother, brother, and me.
So how many people?
4.
There is 4 or there are 4?
They are.
Good job, thank you. Let me give you a stamp. Ben 10.